Welcome back to Carsjade, where we talk about everything hot, new, and worth waiting for in the automotive world. Today, we're taking a closer look at the 2026 Chevy C10, a modern resurrection of one of Chevrolet's most beloved pickup nameplates. It's bold, retro, and everything truck fans have been hoping for. The 2026 Chevy C10 isn't just another new truck on the block. It's a carefully crafted throwback that respects its roots while embracing today's tech and performance. When you see it, you immediately notice the strong connection to the original C10s of the 1960s and 70s, but this one feels planted in the now. It's nostalgic without trying too hard, and it's cool without being gimmicky. The exterior design absolutely nails the retro-modern balance. It features a flat, squared-off front end, rounded fenders, and a modern interpretation of the old-school grille that proudly wears the Chevy badge. The headlights are now LED, but housed in a square frame that echoes the C10's heritage. Chevy is also offering two-tone paint schemes, and even a limited edition with a short bed setup and wood-lined cargo floor that brings the classic vibe full circle. Whether you're looking at the stance, the silhouette, or the bold color options, this truck is a visual homage to the past with a fresh twist. Inside, the C10 continues to impress. The cabin blends vintage cues with modern functionality, making it a great space for both nostalgia and comfort. The dashboard layout follows a horizontal, boxy design, and the materials range from classic brushed aluminum to leather and soft-touch surfaces. You'll get a large touchscreen display for infotainment that works with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and even a digital/analog hybrid gauge cluster that adds to the retro charm. Depending on the trim, you can choose a modern bucket seat layout or go all in with a bench seat for that true classic truck feel. Features like climate control, a premium sound system, and a push-button start system all add to the everyday usability of this stylish pickup. Powering the 2026 Chevy C10 is a lineup of solid, capable engines that fit its character. The standard model comes with a 5.3-liter V8 producing around 355 horsepower, offering a smooth balance between performance and practicality. For those looking for more excitement, there's a 6.2-liter V8 available that delivers a punchy 420 horsepower, inspired by performance trims of the Silverado. A 6-speed manual transmission is making a welcome return for the purists, while a 10-speed automatic is available for those who want seamless shifting. There are rumors swirling about an all-electric version, dubbed the EC10, coming later in 2026. But for now, the V8 is king. The truck is rear-wheel drive standard, with 4-wheel drive available for off-road or utility-focused buyers. Towing capacity is estimated at 9,000 pounds, with a payload rating around 1,800 pounds. More than enough for daily tasks or weekend adventures. As for availability, the 2026 Chevy C10 is expected to make its full production debut in late 2025, with showroom availability beginning in spring 2026. Pricing starts at around $38,000 for the entry-level model, while higher trims with the retro packages or the 6.2-liter V8 engine are expected to range between $45,000 and $55,000. A limited-run Heritage Edition with special paint, interior touches, and unique badging may top out near $65,000. So, what do you think? Has Chevy finally nailed the blend of retro charm and modern capability with the 2026 C10? We're pretty excited about it, and we'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments. If you like this breakdown, hit that like button, subscribe to Carsjade, and tap that notification bell so you don't miss any of our deep dives into new cars, trucks, and electric rides. Thanks for watching, and as always, stay bold, drive classic.